Susanna, and today we're going to do some nature sensory bags. So first you're going to need some water, and some oil. You can use baby oil, vegetable oil, or any oil you have at your house. Some liquid colors or natural food colors if you do not have liquid colors. You also need a Ziploc bag, a freezer size Ziploc bag. And some nature that you can find outside. You can also use some glitter. And some sequins or buttons or anything like that that you may have at home. And some tape for later. So first we're going to start by opening our bag like this. And you're going to fold it open like this to keep it held open. So it'll stay open. And you'll also need some measuring cups. So we're going to use the 1 cup measuring and open our oil. We're going to put the oil in first. And you'll do about a cup of oil. You can put more if you want it really oily. I'm going to do 1 cup. I'm actually going to do 2 cups because this is a bigger bag. So we'll do 2 cups of oil. And then after you put the oil in, see, the oil in the bag. Push this down a little bit so you can see what I'm doing here. You're gonna get 3 tiny cups like this so that you can put your food coloring or your liquid colors. You can use any colors you want. You don't have to put all the colors in. I'm gonna use some colors so we can do some color mixing. So I'm gonna use some blue. So I'm gonna put about 6 drops in 1 cup. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 blue. And then the other cup I'm gonna do some yellow. So I'm gonna do some yellow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then I'll take just a little bit of water. You don't have to put very much water in it. So with the blue, we'll just put a little bit of water, just like that. And you're just gonna add it to the oil, the few drops. And then you'll do the same with the oil, the yellow. Oh, I forgot to add the water. Let's add some drops. So you do the same with the oil. You'll just add the yellow to it. And you can add some glitter in there. And then you'll add your nature in there. So you can just add your nature in there, however you want to use it. Add your nature in there. Put all your nature in there. I have a dandelion, so I'm going to break it up and put the little dandelion flowers in there. Put your flowers in there, some leaves in there. Some dry petals in there, some stems, some more petals in there. Just all your nature, just throw it in there. And then when you're all done, you can even add just drops of color in there. You don't even have to put water in there if you don't want. But water kind of makes it move a little bit better. And I'm going to add just a teeny bit more water, maybe just a little drop. And you're going to make sure when you close it that all the air is out, as much air as possible, and close it completely tight. And for our little friends that are very, very adventurous that like to open it, you might want to tape it up. And this is our nature bag. And It's ready to be explored with, so you can tape it down just like this. You can tape it down the edges and the edges to a flat surface, and you can explore and move it around and mix it up. The more colors of paint, different colors of paint you put in there, the more mixing you can do. And that is how you make a nature sensory bag. Thanks for watching. Bye.